Pagas muna tayo. Yan, kalahati. 86 per liter niya. Bali 1,000 yung ipagas ko. Yan natin 1,000. Yan 500 pala. Yan kakyat na. Yan yung 1,000. Dito yung 500. Dito yung dati.
This time check was brought to you by Bingo Plus. Bingo Sosaya plus sa Panalo. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop.
750.
Bingo Plus, official partner namin ng Lion Center. I-license ko na ng PADCOR, kaya responsible gaming lab and fun gaming na may insurance. Sa PhilFirst, insured ang wallet mo ng 1 billion pesos. Save na! E talaga naman fast sa Bingo Plus.
Tandaan, gambling for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop. Visit responsible gaming at
Ayun, yung 1,000. 11.6 liters.
At the Philippine Tech Show 2026, happening on March 23 to 26.
Wala. Okay.
Presented by the PCTA.
11.6 liters yung 1,000. So hindi pa. Mga ano lang, mga dalawang guhit lang pala. Grabe.